Welcome to excelmind. In today's video we'll practice how to change number to words. So whenever to change numbers you can see it gives you word format. For that, we have created the formula. You can see it even gives you the words of decimal point too. And formula we added is spell number. And to add this formula in your Excel, you have to follow 3 simple steps. Step 1. Activate Developer tab. Step 2. Create module under VBA. Step 3. Paste code from our blog. We have already added code under our blog, you just have to copy and paste it under module. We'll show you how to do that. So let's start with our tutorial with our fresh sheet. Our first step. Add Developer tab. To add that we need click on File. Click on Option then go to Customize Ribbon. On right side you will see Developer box. Just check that box and hit OK. Our Developer tab has been successfully created. Now let's move to Step 2. Create module. Click Developer tab. Then click Visual Basic. New window will pop up. Make sure your Workbook tab has been selected. Once you click on Workbook, go to Insert tab and click Module. Our module is successfully created. Now open module and clean all the data by deleting it. Once your module is clean, go to our blog and copy the compete code. Till end function. We have added the blog link under description. Once the complete code is copied, come back to Excel and paste the code under module. Now click the Excel tab on top right side. Add the number under number cell. And under word cell write the formula as equal to spell number. Bracket open and select the number cell, then close the bracket. It's done. Your formula is complete and now you can see it's working fine. Even the number in decimal is working fine. Now final stage and most important part is saving the file. To save, select File from top right corner. Then click Save As and select Destination. Make sure you save as type is Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. As your formula is macro enabled, you should save the file as macro. Rename the file as per your requirement and click Save. It's done. Thank you for watching excelmind tutorial.